Hey Winnipeggers, this is JDizzEats, and today it is my birthday. We're gonna have some dinner feast today on some barbecue, Filipino barbecue, street food style, and some bit of Korean too, with the Korean meats in there. And I can't really wait to try and eat on them, feast on them, and yeah. Alright, we're gonna taste our first barbecue at isaw. I think this is pork isaw, nice and grilled and with ketchup, banana ketchup, charred. We're gonna give this a taste. It's fatty inside. You can taste the banana ketchup, like a sweetness and tanginess in there, and crunchy. It's like a one biter snack in here. Oh yeah, we got some fish ball in here, and we're gonna put it in our condiment. Some soy sauce. We need that chili in there. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. JD, can you get me
Spicy, nice acidity, and the crunchy garlic. I mean onion and chilies and carrots. Alright, we got some gizzard, chicken gizzard. We put in our Philippines' most important condiment, vinegar. And what they put here is they put adobo, a marinade, and then they marrinate it again, but this time it's with ketchup. And we're gonna give this a taste. Kind of chewy, but it's kind of liver. Look like liver, but more chewier than it. I think it is the adobo in there. And yeah, look at that. Now we got some Sisig here in Mars, one I did from a food review from a few months ago. Taste the acidity. It's like a flavor explosion there. And a bit crunchy. We got some pork belly. This is the fat one. Taste that banana ketchup in there. Sweet and fatty. We got some pork belly. Grilled. Can you taste?
Igigit na. Ay, saan galing si Sisig? Yung mag-ihaw sabi mo.
Ay, hindi na.
Sweet.
Wala, hindi mo pa nakita kung nasaan eh.
Malinis na yung ginamit ko sa ano, ganyan eh.
And overall, pretty good. Okay, next is this beef, I think it's steak from a Korean grocery store. hard to cut this out of plastic.
Hindi wala akong water.
You gonna give this a taste?
Marami pala.
Chewy. And kind of tastes like steak actually. Except when you put these flavors, it's like you taste the sweet. And yeah, so good.
They ate it.
Along with sago, gulaman, steak. Except it's a bit tough on the tougher side. And last but not least is this beef short ribs. It's so good. I bet this is, when I saw this in the griller, it's juicy, fatty in there. See that juice in there? So flavorful. So good. So yeah, fatty. Look at that. We got some Adidas because it looks like an Adidas symbol. We're gonna give this a taste. Gelatinous. And there's a lot of bones in here. So you gotta watch out for the bones in here. If you're eating Adidas. Next, we got some pork bloods stew. It's Betamax. Gonna give this a taste with our fish sauce in here. This is my first time trying one.
How it is? Like it?
Kind of looks like a texture of a liver, except it's more chewy, more tender. Or it's exactly like liver, the texture, except a different strange taste in there. We're gonna have our last street food taste, and we got some quack. So it's like battered quail eggs, but we're gonna give this a taste. I know it's not the best looking quack, but we're gonna give this a taste. Why not? With the soy sauce.
Ooh, crunchy.
Kind of crunchy. And the yolk in there, kind of creamy. And it's better than a boiled egg. Oh yeah. Alright, done eating. Pretty full, pretty satisfying. And here's my gift. Got it from my uncle. Thank you. I got a backpack. So nice. And then we got a t-shirt here. Mellow yellow. You know. Pretty nice. Got it from my sister. Alright, and then we got this on Best Buy. My PS4 controller, second controller. Just you notice from might be with my other channel I do for gaming. Used to. That's my gold controller. Alright, now we got two more presents. Couple more. I think I'll open this one first. I think from my sister. We're gonna open it anyway. Let's see what I get here. Whoa, I got a deodorant black Axe. We're gonna spray on myself. Oh yeah, I like that smell. Okay, next gift. It's from my mom and dad. We're gonna open it. Ooh, let's see what I get here. Oh, I got PS Plus a year. 12 month basically. So I'll be playing with my friends a lot. This is what I do outside of doing food vlogs and doing food channel, gaming. Hey guys, I think this will be the end of the video. So today it was a pretty good day, awesome day on my 18th birthday. I got this as my present, and this one, and we gotta eat some delicious food. And my favorite one's probably gonna be the Korean beef short ribs and the isaw, the pork intestine. Those are my favorite. My least will probably be the pork blood stew, the Betamax. It's just boring and bland, and I'm not interested in it. But it was worth trying it, so that's something. And that'll be it for this video. If you do enjoy this vlog, my birthday video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos and content. And guys, see you guys next video. Bye.